Affiliate marketing. So how to promote the link that you've got from the product or products that you are promoting. So there are very many different platforms. So the common ones are Facebook. So you can do it what's known as organic, where it doesn't cost you a penny, and you are building up relationships, talking to your audience, trying to get engagement in your Facebook feed, and then you can message them via Messenger for more details, and you can do it that way. So that's organic, not paid. Or you can do Facebook ads. So that's where you pay for ads on Facebook, advertising your link and what you do. So then you've also got TikTok. Now TikTok is the big platform of the moment. It is again free, where it's a video, but you are interrupting someone scrolling. So that's what they're doing. They're scrolling, they're sat there on the sofa, and they just want to find something quite amusing, interesting. There are a lot of people who have online businesses, whether it be affiliate marketing or cryptocurrency or online trading. You know, there's all these different types of how to make money online. Affiliate marketing is the most successful business model, and it's the one what I call the least hands-on, which is what I like, because I don't want to be on my phone 24/7. I don't want to be speaking to customers and ringing them up and all of that. So so there's TikTok. You can do videos like I'm doing now, or you can do videos that you don't show your face. So you can be behind camera and it's just your voice. Or you can use like an animated voice. So there's ways around it if you really don't want to show your face, or if you're not able to because of the job that you do in your real life. So there's TikTok platform, there's also Instagram. Now Instagram is Instagram, so you can post on there, but they've also got Instagram Reels, which is like the competitor to TikTok, like shorter versions of an Instagram video post. So that's the Reels. And then you've got YouTube Shorts, which is, you've got YouTube channel and you've got YouTube Shorts. Shorts again is a rival of TikTok. So they are short videos, very similar to TikTok in the way that it's horizontal. The phone is that it's vertical, sorry, not horizontal. YouTube is landscape, so it's horizontal, but TikTok and Shorts are that way. Okay, so it's just a very quick, like a 15-second, 60-second type of video. Okay, so it's a very quick messaging. Get people's attention, move on. So those are the main ways to promote affiliate marketing online. And then you need to work out which is the best way for you. And then you need to work out, do you have a budget or do you have no money? If you have no money, you go organic, or you can do both. You can do organic, the free traffic, which takes longer, but it's free, or you can pay for the ads, and that's another route, whether you want. But again, you need to know what you're doing. Don't just throw money and say, "Oh, I'll pay and I'll get the traffic and I'll get. You know, people are just going to click." Well, they don't just click. You know, you need to think about how you've worded your ad. You need to think about how it's set out. So there's all that. Okay, I hope that helps. So your next step is to click on the link below this video and get started with the 3-day challenge, and we will help you laser focus, earn commissions with affiliate marketing. What are you waiting for?